All right, when you're building out your YouTube, and a lot of people are using this for SEO, like I've been talking about lately, your research and YouTube's like your number one platform. Just a quick overview of how your page needs to be set up. So obviously you can see on my title right here, you can see what coaching is, how everything's set up. You can see that I put my name, National Real Estate Coach. So if I was a realtor, let's say in Arizona, I'd be like John Storey, your Arizona realtor, or equal to that. Now, or I could just put John Storey depending on your website. But this is where I see a lot of people messing up is the bio right here. So what you need to do is every bio on every social media platform is going to be different. So I just wrote it in and I said, hey, for ChatGPT, hey, please write me out a bio for my YouTube channel. Now what you'll see is I have all my links to go to my social medias, to my website, to my link tree that gets all my engagement. And then the format of what your channel needs to look like. If you have it here, I like to have my shorts at the top, the For You, and then my videos of this is where your Buyers and Sellers Academy most likely would go. And then obviously you'll have our playlists. I have the option to do posts because I've been on YouTube long enough. If you don't have that option, it will unlock for you over time. Now, if your page isn't set up correctly like this, like I was just showing one of my clients, Josh, this, he's got a great cover photo. He followed the mold of doing EuroAZ Realtor. He's got his bio set up correctly. He's got his stuff here. He just needs to add his link tree that we're working on. But when you come to this, he doesn't have, this is just basically salespeople or sales like versus his shorts that are all interactive of all different things that you can see that he does. So what you need to do is you'll go here and you'll just go customize channel. And when you go to customize channel, it gives you the option. Here's your home tab where you'll have your name that after certain times you can change that. You want to fix your handle that after a 14-day period. I have mine as John Storey Coaching. It will give you a just normal one, but I would fix that. This is where you would add your description. This is where you would add your URLs, so where you could have it. So you can see the old channel URL came like this. My custom one has this with John Storey Coaching on the back end. This is the one that you'd want to copy and send to there. Then you can add all your links, your external links that you have. You can have your contact information down there. You can put your watermark down here at the bottom. But in order to organize your home tab, it's very easy. You click the home tab and it's the layout section of what you would have. You can add a section. You could add, Buyers Academy, Sellers Academy, put your videos in there. That's super easy on top of the playlist. I like mine as a layout to where with realtors are coming to my page going, what does he do different than other coaches? If it's a returning subscriber, how my client route has closed deals. And then I like to have my shorts, my For You, and then my videos and posts and that. I like this layout a little bit better. That way when you come to the channel, it looks like this. So it looks like, okay, who's this person? Here's some funny stuff. Here's some regular stuff. Here's some value videos that he does. Here's some more videos that he does. Here's some posts that he does. So it's more just keeping it simple and building it out right. But the cover photo is very important, guys. You need to make sure that this matches on your mobile as well. You can create this. But the name for SEO is super important. So if you're not utilizing YouTube and building this out, you can see that I'm growing my subscribers. And when I go to my channel content, you can look at my analytics right here. And I'm always increasing subscribers. My watch time's 107 hours and I'm getting 40,000 views a month. And I don't post every day on YouTube. I put out several videos throughout the month, but this is super important for you guys to have that. Now, I do put out funny content. So if you can see funny content like the Heat Out of Control got 22,000 views. When realtors are trying to figure out their huge team switch, which I think is super comical to people pay all that money to be on a team, got a bunch of views and comments. But this is really what you're looking for to build out your YouTube channel for SEO. If you have questions, you want to have a consultation or anything, or you want to jump into my one-on-one which covers all this, I'd be happy to help you any way that I can. So guys, just keep consistent and make sure that you're having fun and don't make it all real estate. As you can see, I put out a bunch of different videos of my life. I treat it just like a social media platform, just like you should.